Welcome to People's Host. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to install WordPress through cPanel. You'll want to use the username and password we sent you with your welcome email when you first signed up. Once you have those on hand and you've entered them into the field boxes below, click the Login button. This will take you to the cPanel dashboard. The cPanel dashboard will allow you to do many things such as adding on other domains, creating subdomains, creating your email accounts, and setting up forwarders for those email accounts. You can also check useful data such as your disk space usage, your bandwidth usage, and so on. And so it's a very helpful resource and great to explore and find out what's available in there. But for this tutorial, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom to the Softaculous section and click the WordPress icon. This will take you to Softaculous, and this is an overview of WordPress and your current installations. You'll see here I already have WordPress installed on peopleshosttutorials.com. Now I'll do a fresh install on a new domain. And so what you'll want to do is click this Install Now button. This Install Now button will take you through different things you need to fill out. And so I want to install the new WordPress installation on this new domain, peopleshostwp.com. And right here in this directory, you'll want to be sure to delete this WP by default. So what this essentially means is that if you install WordPress into this directory, you can only access your WordPress site at peopleshostwp.com/WP. So if you want to be able to access your site at the main domain, just at peopleshostwp.com, then you'll want to delete that and move on. You can change the site name and site description later down the road when you have WordPress installed and you've logged into your WordPress dashboard. So don't worry about those for now. The next thing you want to worry about though is, and I highly recommend changing, is your admin username. The admin username is used by default by Softaculous, and it really creates a security vulnerability for your site. So I recommend changing this to something personal. I won't tell you what to change it to, but change it from admin just to improve the security of your site. Down here, what you'll want to do is limit login attempts also helps improve the security of your site. What it does is if there's too many failed attempts to log in to your WordPress site, let's say 3 failed attempts, then what it does is it blocks the user or that IP from attempting to log in or accessing your site again. And so I highly recommend having this checked. I do it for all my personal sites, and it'll help protect you in the long run. When you expand these advanced options features, what you'll want to take notice of is disable update notifications. You can keep this on or off, whatever you prefer, but if WordPress core files are updated, you'll receive a notification that your WordPress site has been updated. Auto upgrade WordPress plugins and auto upgrade WordPress themes, I highly recommend keeping those checked. That way you don't have to manually update your WordPress themes or plugins every single time there's a new release. And so once you've gone through this process, scroll down to the very bottom here and click the install button. This will go through the installation process, and it says it'll take 3 to 4 minutes. It usually only takes a few seconds. And so once it's been successfully installed, you'll be able to access your site at the new URL. So I'll go here, and WordPress has been installed. And so if you need any help installing WordPress or accessing cPanel, don't hesitate to reach out to support. We'd be more than happy to help you go through this process. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial.